Welcome to Home Biz Tax Talk. My name is Lysandra Everett. I am the Home Biz Tax Lady and principal owner of Everett Tax Solutions, where we help you win the tax game. Home Biz Tax Talk airs Monday through Friday. And when you tune into my show, you're going to hear about topics that are important to the small business community. And today I want to talk about unemployment. All right, reality is setting in. One of the warnings that we try to throw up in the tax community is the impact of unemployment, especially when it is related to earned income tax credit refunds. Okay. Unemployment is a benefit. It's not considered earned income for earned income tax credit purposes. So one of the things that the government tried to do in order to try to rectify that is to allow the look back provision that says, hey, look back at your 2019 earned income. If that's more, then you can use that to qualify for your 2020 earned income tax credit. The other thing that people really did not know is that unemployment is taxable. There are some states who do not tax unemployment, but by and large, on the federal level, unemployment is taxable income. So this is like the perfect storm of things. And, now that people are starting to file their taxes, this reality is setting in. And so far it is not pretty. Okay. I've seen some very angry and upset people. And some people have just said, okay, I'm not claiming my unemployment so I can get my refund. But let me tell you what's going to happen if you choose to do that. Because not claiming your unemployment, that is not an option. You are required to claim it. In any tax form, you should get a 1099-G for your unemployment. Now, that tax form, a copy of that is also sitting at the IRS waiting for you to file and do the computer matching. So when you don't do that, let me tell you what's going to happen. You're going to get what's called a CP 2000 letter. A CP 2000 letter is essentially where the IRS says, hey, what we have reported to us from third-party people, that could be your 1099-G, your W-2, your 1099 NEC, your 1099 miscellaneous. We've got this form here reporting income for you, and we don't see this on your tax return. So here are the proposed changes, and then they're going to adjust your tax return based on what they have. And then they give you time to respond to say, do you agree or do you disagree? Now, if you don't claim your unemployment and you have not paid these taxes, guess what? You're going to have to pay that money back because they're going to adjust the amount of income that you have, and it's going to adjust the amount of tax due. And you can also be liable for an underreporting penalty. Okay. And so then once you get this letter, then you have 30 days to respond. If you don't respond, then you get another letter that says, hey, we sent you a CP 2000 letter. You didn't respond. Do you agree, disagree? But if you don't respond to the IRS, you force them to enforce the law. So the first thing I want to tell you is to claim that unemployment. That reduced refund is what it is, simply because that's just the way unemployment works. Okay. But if you choose to not do that, if you choose to not claim that unemployment income, and then you get this CP 2000 letter, do not ignore the IRS, because you're still going to owe them this money back. And 9 times out of 10, by the time you get the CP 2000 letter, you're probably not going to have the money to pay it back anyway. So just report the income. The refund is what it is. Okay. So that's what I really wanted to talk about, and just let you know that, not reporting the income, that is not optional, because it's going to do you more harm than good, because not only are you going to have to pay this money back, you're going to have to pay it back with interest, and you're probably going to have an underreporting penalty to add more money to what you owe. So just don't do it. Report your income. Yeah, I know it's not what a lot of people expected, but this is, like I said, we were trying to throw up the red flags to tell you to get ready, because we knew this was going to happen. All right. In the tax community, we knew that was going to happen, and we were trying to prepare you. So if you see people complaining about their refunds being reduced once they add that unemployment, that is accurate. Please do not advise people to not claim that their unemployment income because it's going to cause more problems down the road. Then you're going to have to get help dealing with the IRS, okay? Or you're going to have to set up a payment plan or something to pay that money back. So if this goes on to next year when you file and this isn't resolved, then that refund is going to get held for the amount that you did not pay back with by not reporting your unemployment income. Okay, so it's not going to go away. That's the point I want to make here. All right, so thank you guys so much for tuning into Home Biz Tax Talk. Again, we are Monday through Friday, and you can come right here to get your questions answered about your home business taxes. All right, have a great day, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.